We all know that the Sony A6300 has very soft 1080p, so I'm gonna do a little test, compare it with my A7R II. I'm gonna shoot some 1080p footage on my A7R II as well, and see just how much sharper on the full frame. Yeah, the 4K on the A6300 is super sharp, but the 1080p is yeah, it's soft. We'll see. Alright, here we go. So I'm gonna use the same focal range on both cameras. This one I use 18 to 105 lens, which is equivalent to 27 point something, 28, approximately 28 on full frame equivalent. And on A7R II, I'm gonna shoot with the Tamron 28 to 75. So the wide end focal length is the same. So let's see which one is better. Okay, so now I'm at the 75mm on A7R II with Tamron lens, and I'm at f2.8 aperture, so it's a wider aperture. You can see more bokeh. And now I'm gonna crank up the f-stop. I'm gonna move it to f4 and then f5 to have a direct comparison with the A6300 because of the crop factor. Moving to lower 4.5 now. How does it look? Alright, now I'm shooting at the 50mm on my A6300 because it's equivalent to 75mm, which is the longest focal length on the Tamron lens. So I can have a direct comparison between these two. I'm shooting some close subject, and you can see the bokeh, very nice. And later I'm going to zoom in to show you the difference in the detail. Alright, now let's switch to Tamron. So as you can see, the A7R II with the Tamron lens, even at f4, is going to have more bokeh than the A6300 because of the crop factor. So right now I'm going to do some focusing test, like autofocus, and see how fast does it focus in 1080p mode. I'm going to just switch between this subject, let it autofocus. I don't press any button. Okay, not bad. Sometimes it can be a little bit slow, I think. And I set the autofocus drive on normal, I think. Alright, so apparently the A6300 has much more advantage in terms of autofocus, and as you can see, it focused much faster, reacted much faster. I shot both on normal speed, normal drive speed, so it's a fair comparison. A7R II is just a little bit slower, and I guess it's smoother because the A6300, you can see when they snap on the focus, it just suddenly go into focus. Sometimes it can look a little bit abrupt. So I don't know which one you like. You want it to be more snappy, faster, or you want it to be slower but smoother like A7R II. So that's the difference and the comparison. Thanks for watching. Alright, I'm gonna just add another shot here with the A6300 just to let you see the difference in terms of image quality. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.